Bob is exploring the new age of AI-driven stock market analysis. As a computer updates in real time, he realizes how much easier it has become to track market trends and make informed decisions. Bob quickly learns that artificial intelligence can crunch data faster and more accurately than traditional methods, saving valuable time. This breakthrough technology is changing how investors analyze the stock market daily. With the help of AI, Bob sees the future of investing in real time. The robot, powered by complex algorithms, predicts stock movements, helping Bob make better investment choices. AI now recommends stocks that are likely to perform well based on historical data and patterns. Bob is amazed at how much more efficient his trading process has become with these smart suggestions. The screen lights up as Bob watches AI-driven predictions for stock performance. With these powerful tools, Bob now feels confident making decisions without relying solely on his instincts. Bob soon realizes the limitations of traditional analysis. By embracing AI, he can analyze massive datasets much faster and more accurately, making smarter investment decisions without the hassle of manual calculations. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how Bob thinks about stock trading. As he takes a break, he reflects on how AI has brought about a new era of smarter, faster, and more reliable market analysis. Bob is witnessing the power of AI firsthand. The AI presents multiple stock trends and predictions at once, giving him a comprehensive view of the market with minimal effort. The future of investing is here. Bob now uses AI to track real-time market fluctuations. These visualizations help him easily understand the data, empowering him to make more informed decisions without being overwhelmed by complex numbers. As Bob watches, the AI predicts the stock's next move with incredible accuracy. He can now anticipate market shifts and adjust his strategy accordingly thanks to the continuous updates provided by the AI. With AI, Bob receives news updates tailored to his investment portfolio. By reading these relevant articles, he stays informed about the factors influencing stock prices, helping him stay ahead of market trends. At the virtual seminar, Bob learns how AI is reshaping stock market analysis. He takes notes on how these tools allow traders to predict market trends with unprecedented precision, giving them a competitive edge. Bob realizes that while traditional strategies still have their place, AI-driven analysis outperforms them in speed and accuracy. It's clear that AI is the future of stock market analysis. Using AI, Bob can now monitor his entire portfolio in real time, receiving up-to-the-minute updates on his stock's performance. The efficiency and precision of AI tools are transforming his approach to investing. AI helps Bob understand the risks of different stocks by providing detailed risk assessments. This allows Bob to balance his portfolio more effectively, minimizing risk while maximizing returns. Bob is now using AI to monitor global market trends. With AI's ability to analyze massive amounts of data from across the world, Bob can gain insights into the most profitable investment opportunities. As Bob observes the stock graph, AI highlights patterns that indicate rapid growth. These insights help Bob decide where to invest, making his decisions more data-driven and less emotionally charged. Bob's AI assistant breaks down his portfolio's performance, offering valuable insights and advice. By leveraging this technology, Bob can make better investment choices based on data-driven analysis. As Bob selects stock options on his touchscreen device, the AI suggests the most promising stocks based on its analysis. The AI does all the heavy lifting, so Bob can make more efficient decisions. Bob's robot assistant uses AI to interact with his data, offering insights and recommendations on where to allocate his funds. With AI, Bob can now see beyond the surface and make smarter investment choices. With AI, Bob can effortlessly compare stock trends and forecasts, giving him a clear picture of which investments will likely perform well. His decisions are now backed by data-driven predictions, not just guesswork. The AI-powered dashboard gives Bob real-time updates on the stock market, showing fluctuations and potential opportunities for investment. This tool helps him stay on top of the ever-changing market landscape. Bob fine-tunes his AI settings to focus on upcoming stock trends. With this personalized approach, he gets the insights he needs to make decisions ahead of time, gaining an edge over other investors. The AI highlights stocks with the highest growth potential, making Bob's research more efficient. This intelligent tool guides him to make smarter decisions in less time, improving his investment strategy. Bob is learning how market volatility impacts his investments through AI-powered simulations. The assistant explains the potential risks and rewards, helping Bob better understand how to navigate market fluctuations. Using a virtual assistant, Bob examines a heat map of high-performing stocks. This intuitive interface helps him quickly spot profitable opportunities, saving him time while ensuring he invests in the right assets. Bob's AI-driven mobile app allows him to track his investments on the go. With notifications in real time, he never misses a critical update, making it easy to manage his portfolio from anywhere. AI projects future market trends by analyzing vast amounts of past data. Bob is amazed at how the system uses historical patterns to predict upcoming market movements, making his investment decisions more informed. As Bob walks through the digital hallway, he is surrounded by AI-generated charts and predictions. These visual insights help him understand market behavior, guiding his decisions with precision and confidence. Bob reviews an AI-generated report that explains how global events affect stock prices. This level of analysis helps him understand the bigger picture, allowing him to better navigate his investment strategy. Bob sets up custom alerts using AI to notify him when stocks hit key values. This proactive approach ensures he never misses a potential investment opportunity, keeping him ahead of market trends. The AI compares various investment strategies, giving Bob the tools to decide which approach best suits his financial goals. With clear, visual data, Bob can make an informed choice about his next move. Bob uses AI to review a detailed risk-to-reward ratio for an investment. This report helps him understand the potential return versus the risks involved, allowing him to make smarter decisions before investing. AI reveals the best-performing sectors in the stock market, allowing Bob to target his investments towards high-growth areas. With this insight, he can diversify his portfolio and capitalize on profitable trends. AI algorithms track stock price changes, and Bob watches an animated graph showing how these predictions come to life. The advanced technology allows Bob to anticipate price movements and plan his investments more strategically. Bob studies a chart that compares AI's predictions for short-term versus long-term investments. The AI reveals the different strategies for each time frame, helping Bob understand when to hold and when to sell. In a virtual meeting, Bob consults an AI advisor for personalized stock recommendations. The AI considers his financial goals and risk tolerance, offering tailored advice to help Bob maximize his returns. Bob uses AI to get recommendations on diversifying his portfolio. With a detailed breakdown of potential stocks, Bob feels more confident in balancing risk and maximizing his investment returns. Bob uses AI to identify underperforming stocks in his portfolio. This insight allows him to take action, whether by selling underperforming assets or adjusting his strategy to optimize his investments. Bob gets a real-time notification from AI, updating him on the latest market trends that may impact his investments. With this timely information, Bob can make quick, informed decisions. Bob browses a list of high-potential stocks recommended by AI. These stocks are selected based on data analysis, and Bob feels confident in using this AI-curated list to guide his investment choices. Bob is amazed by AI's ability to provide live analysis of stock performance. The real-time data gives him an edge, allowing him to make informed decisions based on up-to-the-minute information. Bob uses an AI-powered dashboard to track global stock movements in real time. This tool gives him a global perspective on market trends, helping him stay ahead of fluctuations in different international markets. AI highlights key trends in the tech industry's stock performance, showing Bob where the industry is heading. This information allows him to adjust his portfolio and focus on the most promising sectors. Bob explores an AI-generated simulation that shows the potential outcomes of various investment strategies. This powerful tool helps him visualize the future of his investments before committing to a decision. Bob watches as AI illustrates how economic data influences stock prices. By using real-time data, AI helps Bob understand the intricate relationship between economic factors and market movements, guiding his investment decisions. AI provides Bob with a heat map displaying global stock market performance by region. This visualization allows Bob to quickly assess which regions are thriving, guiding his investment decisions to capitalize on growth areas. Bob's AI assistant provides detailed insights into the financial health of the companies he's looking at. These AI-driven reports highlight key performance indicators, helping Bob make more informed decisions before investing. AI shows Bob a detailed breakdown of stock price predictions based on historical data. By analyzing past performance, Bob can see the probability of price increases, giving him a clearer picture of where to invest. AI generates a graph predicting the future of the housing market. Bob can now use this information to adjust his investment strategy, keeping an eye on trends that may impact his real estate investments. Bob uses AI to backtest his investment strategies, running simulations against historical market data. This allows him to see how his strategies would have performed in the past, giving him confidence in their future effectiveness. AI helps Bob quickly identify the top-performing stocks of the week. With this information at his fingertips, Bob can make swift adjustments to his portfolio, ensuring it stays aligned with current market trends. Bob receives a detailed AI report, highlighting stocks to watch in the coming months. This proactive approach allows Bob to anticipate market movements and prepare his investment strategy accordingly. Bob seeks advice from his digital assistant, which uses AI to analyze his portfolio and offer suggestions on balancing risk. With AI's insights, Bob ensures his portfolio is diversified and aligned with his financial goals. Bob's AI assistant provides real-time stock charts along with automated recommendations on when to buy or sell. These timely suggestions help Bob optimize his portfolio with minimal effort. Bob uses AI to compare the volatility of various stocks over the past month. By analyzing these fluctuations, he gains insights into which stocks are stable and which ones might require caution in the future. Using an AI-powered calculator, Bob projects how his investments will grow over time. This tool helps him plan for the future, ensuring he stays on track to reach his financial goals. AI helps Bob sort stocks based on ESG criteria, ensuring that his investments align with his values. This feature allows him to prioritize sustainable investments while maximizing returns. AI sends Bob a notification about a major shift in market conditions. This timely alert ensures that Bob can quickly adapt his strategy to take advantage of new opportunities or mitigate potential risks. Bob examines an AI analysis that explains how global political events influence stock markets. With this understanding, he can adjust his portfolio based on the potential effects of political decisions. Bob watches as AI simulates different economic scenarios and predicts how stocks will perform under each condition. This predictive power allows Bob to prepare for various market situations, minimizing potential losses. Bob uses an AI tool that suggests stocks to add to his portfolio based on his specific financial goals. This tool helps Bob optimize his investments by aligning them with his long-term objectives. Bob sets up personalized AI alerts to notify him whenever stock prices change significantly. This ensures that he stays informed about critical market movements without constantly monitoring his investments. Bob views an AI-generated summary of the stock market's performance over the last year. This helps him assess the overall market trends, aiding him in making decisions for the upcoming year. Bob uses AI tools to analyze a stock's performance, looking at price momentum and trading volume. These indicators provide Bob with valuable insights into the stock's potential for future growth. Bob explores an AI-powered platform that forecasts potential market crashes, using historical data to predict downturns. This information helps him prepare for any economic shocks and protect his investments. Bob's AI assistant suggests a selection of low-risk stocks tailored to a conservative investment strategy. This ensures that Bob's portfolio remains stable while still generating consistent returns. Bob consults his AI advisor, who explains how machine learning can improve stock market analysis. With these advanced algorithms, Bob gains a deeper understanding of market trends and potential investments. Bob watches as AI predicts the optimal times to buy and sell stocks based on real-time data and past performance. This ensures that Bob makes informed decisions, maximizing his profits. Bob examines a detailed financial report on the tech sector generated by AI. This in-depth analysis helps him understand which companies are poised for growth, allowing him to make targeted investments in the sector. Using AI, Bob predicts which stocks will perform best in the next quarter. This data-driven approach gives him an edge in planning his investments and positioning his portfolio for maximum returns. Bob configures his AI tool to automatically adjust his portfolio based on changing market conditions. This automation ensures that his investments are always aligned with the latest market trends. AI analyzes the financial data of a potential investment, providing Bob with a detailed breakdown of its performance. This helps Bob make data-driven decisions and avoid investing in companies with poor financial health. Bob checks an AI-generated prediction about the future of cryptocurrency. The AI analyzes market trends and forecasts potential price movements, giving Bob the tools to make informed decisions in the volatile crypto market. Bob's AI-powered dashboard provides him with real-time updates on his investments. He can track stock prices, monitor trends, and adjust his strategy as needed to stay on top of market changes. Bob consults his AI assistant, which provides a breakdown of stock market volatility. With this information, Bob can assess potential risks and adjust his portfolio to mitigate losses during turbulent times. Bob watches a video about how machine learning is revolutionizing investment strategies. The video explains how algorithms can predict market movements, helping investors like Bob make smarter choices. AI generates a chart that shows how interest rates influence stock prices. Bob examines the data, understanding how these economic factors can impact his investment strategy. Bob receives a notification from AI, alerting him to a stock's performance after a major news event. With this real-time insight, Bob can react quickly and adjust his strategy accordingly. Bob uses AI to calculate the potential return on investment for a new stock. With precise data and predictions, Bob can assess the profitability of the stock before making a commitment. AI monitors Bob's portfolio performance, providing suggestions to help improve his returns. By analyzing market data, AI identifies areas for growth, allowing Bob to optimize his investments. Bob uses AI to analyze historical stock price data, allowing the system to predict future market movements. This valuable information helps Bob anticipate changes and make well-timed investments. Bob gets a real-time alert from AI, informing him about an upcoming shift in the stock market. With this knowledge, he can make quick adjustments to protect his investments. Bob uses AI to assess the sustainability of his investments, ensuring that his portfolio is aligned with his long-term goals and values. This tool provides critical insights into future trends. Bob watches as AI simulates the performance of his stocks under different market conditions. By testing various scenarios, Bob can better understand how his portfolio will perform in different economic environments. Bob checks his daily financial summary, powered by AI. This report provides him with valuable insights into market trends, helping him stay informed and make timely decisions. Bob uses an AI assistant to track news about potential investment companies. This allows him to stay updated on important events and adjust his portfolio as needed. Bob views a detailed visualization showing how inflation impacts stock prices. AI helps him understand the correlation, allowing him to make smarter investment choices during times of economic uncertainty. Bob uses an AI-powered market analysis tool that offers real-time trading suggestions. With this cutting-edge tool, Bob can act on up-to-the-minute market shifts, optimizing his trading strategy. Bob watches a tutorial explaining how AI is changing stock market analysis. The tutorial highlights the benefits of AI-powered predictions, helping Bob understand why this technology is the future of investing.